A very competent and entertaining city tour. Very impressive. Highly recommended. Also suitable for teenagers. Very informative and very interesting. We learned a lot about the city, including its historical background. And Mr. Antoni is a very likable person. Entertaining and informative, including recommendations for further activities or food. Exactly what you'd want from a walking tour. Walking through Old Town Warsaw with Anthony, Antek, wasn't just a tour, it was a journey through time and emotion. From the splendor of Poland's royal past to the heartbreak of war and the sheer devastation of the Holocaust, Antek guided us with incredible care, knowledge, and soul. What made it truly special was how he helped us feel everything, not just hear the facts. You could sense the pride in the stories of resilience and see the love he has for this city. Standing in front of the royal castle and learning how the people of Warsaw rebuilt every brick with their bare hands and unwavering spirit, it was powerful. There were moments that moved us to silence. And others that filled us with awe and respect. Antek made history come alive with emotion, humor, and compassion. We left not only more informed, but deeply touched. If you're ever in Warsaw and want an experience that's heartfelt and unforgettable, Antek is the guide who'll take you there. A very informative tour in a small group. This allowed us to ask questions along the way, which were answered thoroughly. Antoni, who grew up and studied in Germany, speaks very clear and fluent Polish. This was certainly an advantage for us, given the complexities of Polish history. We probably wouldn't have learned some things on an English language tour. We highly recommend booking this tour as a foundation for visiting the city. For us, it was a fantastic start to our stay in Warsaw. Thank you for this experience. Learned about Polish history and enjoyed the tour guide greatly. Tool about 2 hours, but the time flew by. Thank you for a wonderful morning. A wonderful tour of Old Warsaw, from the castle gardens to the old square, including the monument dedicated to the ghetto. Thank you to Anthony for his kindness and knowledge. Really great and amusing guide. Gave a fantastic historical and social background to the city. I really enjoyed the tour and my whole visit has been improved by it. We spent 2 hours with Antoni. The tour was varied and interesting, and he answered our questions well. A good mix of walking and standing around. Highly recommended. Smile. We had 2 private tours, one in Krakow and one in Warsaw. Both were very competent, interesting, and entertaining. The guides were clearly passionate about their work. You get a lot of information and see places you wouldn't otherwise have access to or see. They were incredibly nice and friendly. More than worth the price, and I would 100% recommend both tours.